All right, you're recording.
So I'm Nuria Oliver, and I have a PhD in machine learning and artificial intelligence from MIT. My area of expertise is human behavior modeling from data using statistical machine learning techniques. I am Director of Research in Data Science at Vodafone. I'm also Chief Data Scientist in an NGO called DataPop Alliance, whose goal is to leverage AI and data science for social good. And I'm also a Chief Scientific Advisor to a think tank called the Vodafone Institute. In my work, I interact with a lot of data scientists and a lot of different profiles who have a passion for drawing meaningful insights from data, which I would say is sort of like the main role of a data scientist. And they come from different paths, from different career paths, given that data science traditionally hasn't existed as a degree. So a lot of the people are computer scientists, and they have many of them a PhD or a master's in artificial intelligence or data analytics sort of related fields. Some people are physicists and they study physics, and including even a PhD in physics, where they also did a lot of quantitative analysis. Some other people come from engineering, and they have different types of engineering degrees. So I would say those are the three main degrees. Within data science, there's also different roles. The main role, which is the role that I lead and I've been working on, is a research role. So it's research in data science. So I work with a lot of PhDs on relevant topics. But there is also the vast majority, I would say, of the data scientists are more in a more applied role, where the goal is to help institutions, be it corporations or public administrations, to leverage the vast amounts of data that they have, non-structured data, using statistical machine learning techniques to make better decisions, or to personalize their services, or to be more efficient, or to make predictions, etc. A very important related role, we cannot be underestimated, is the role of the data engineer. All the data that we're talking about has to be stored somewhere, and it has to be analyzed, usually stored in large distributed storage systems, and analyzed using distributed computing. So there are significant efforts by what we call data engineers, who are people who have stronger backgrounds on the engineering and computer science, kind of lower level technical knowledge, who are in charge of enabling all the necessary infrastructure to be able to carry out the necessary analysis.
Okay, perfect. And then maybe a word of advice to an aspiring data scientist?
Yeah, so there are loads of professional opportunities in the data science field, because there are many more, there's much bigger demand than offer, mainly because data science hasn't existed as a degree until now. So I always encourage people, it's never too late to learn about this field. There are many high quality online courses that people can take from reputed universities, or from Coursera or Udacity and so forth, that are very helpful. If someone doesn't have a bachelor's degree, some universities are already offering bachelor degrees in data science in different countries in the world, so that could be another path. But even if you have a degree, you can do a nano degree or some kind of online degree to really get up to date with the main techniques that we use in data science. And I would like to encourage anyone, and particularly women, because this is definitely a fascinating field with loads of opportunities, and we really have the opportunity to shape the world and move towards a more evidence-driven, data-driven decision-making world, which I think would be positive for all.